So in this video, we will talk about three clauses in SOQL: order by, limit, and offset. Let's take a look at the order by clause first. The order by clause is used to sort the resultant records based on the specified fields so that we don't need to sort the records in Apex. By specifying the keywords ASC or DESC, we can specify the order. The order by clause supports mostly all the field types in Salesforce except these: multi-select pick list, rich text area, and long text area. So let's try this out in the developer console. We are currently looking at all opportunities list view in our developer edition. We have fields like opportunity name, amount, close date, and stage. Let's use this data to demonstrate how the order by clause works in SOQL. Let's write this query first. Select name, amount, stage name, close date from opportunity, and let's see what this returns as of now. If you look at the data that is returned, it is returning name, amount, stage name, close date, these fields in random order. Now let's add the order by clause and try to order this data by the amount field and see what it returns. You will notice that the data is sorted according to the amount field. The amount field is sorted in the ascending order. By default, the data will be sorted in ascending order. If we specify the keyword DESC at the end, the data will be sorted in the descending order of the amount field. Now, let's take a look at the limit clause. The limit clause is used to limit the number of records that are returned by an SOQL query to a specific number. This is useful whenever we expect large amount of data even after applying all the possible where conditions. At times, this is used with offset to implement server-side pagination for data tables or custom reports on UI. From this data, let's try to find out the opportunities with the highest values. For this, we will use the same query, but in the end, we will add the limit clause followed by the number of records that we want this query to return to us. Now, if you see, instead of this query returning all the opportunities to us, it is only returning the top 5 opportunities based on the amount field. Now let's talk about the offset clause. It is used to skip certain number of resultant records while returning from the database. This is useful for server-side pagination. Now let's try adding the offset keyword or offset clause in the query that we wrote in the previous example. For offset, we will use the number 2 because the query itself is returning 5 records only. You see that in the previous results, the first 2 records that it had written are now skipped in the result.
If you like this video, please do like and share. If you want to receive more of such informative content, please hit the subscribe button. If you want us to make content related to any Salesforce or Salesforce related topic, please do let us know through comments.